Here I have Xiaomi Redmi K40, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files on this device or from this device. You can from any iPhone device to the Android device, from the Android to iPhone, anything as you please. What you have to do is to just download the app Send Anywhere from the App Store in the case of iPhone, from the Play Store in case of the Xiaomi device. When you open it for the first time, you have to accept terms of service and privacy policy here. Then you have to grant access to the storage here. So if you want to receive file, just go to the receive section. If you want to send file, just go from the send section, select this file. So here you can send photos, videos, contacts, and any other files. Let's just send this photo and tap send. Then to receive this photo, you can either just enter the 6-digit code, you can share a link, open link and get this photo, or the easiest method, you can just grant access to the camera, then go to this barcode, and that's how you can get this image to the easiest way. And as you can see, the image sent. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.